Recall that the plaintiff filed a motion to amend his originating summons, whereby all the defendants filed a series of counter-affidavits and plenary objections. So the court heard both parties on the 17th or so, 17th of April, and then adjourned ruling for today. To the glory of God, the ruling has been delivered by His Lordship today, and the prayers and reliefs of the plaintiffs were granted. That is, the already filed amended originating summons of the plaintiff and all other process filed by the plaintiff and all the defendants have been deemed properly filed and served, meaning that all the political parties, that is ADC, Accord, APP, Zenith Labour Party, and Action Alliance, all these 5 political parties have now been deemed to have been joined in this suit. So they are now proper parties before the court. So that is one of the cardinal points of the ruling of His Lordship. And my Lord has also, having listened to all counsel in the matter, that by the 5th of May 2026, or before then, all parties who have not filed any process should file their processes before that date, so that at the end of the day, on the 5th of May, both the main suit, that is the amended originating summons, preliminary objections, counter affidavit, or any other process will be held on the 5th of May, which is like a composite, so that His Lordship can deliver a composite judgment on that day.